Do your kiddos love those tiny toy trinkets? Are you not sure where to store them? In this video, I am going to show you how to keep those tiny toy trinkets organized and my favorite product to use when organizing them. Jessica, and I teach families just like you how to organize with tips, tricks, and tutorials. I am going to show you how to shop the Container Store like a professional. I am in the party section at the Container Store. Now, I'm sure you're wondering why the party section to keep tiny little trinkets organized. Well, these mini party totes are the perfect solution for those Shopkins or Hatchy babies or even little Lego figures. They're perfect for holding all of the tiny pieces and they're easy to carry around. I am in our playroom about to get ready to organize all these tiny little trinkets like the Shopkins, rock collection, lip balm. I love that she loves these little trinkets, but they can be so difficult to manage. So these mini party totes make the best organizer that she can use, grab, play with, clean up, all easy peasy. So gather up your kiddos, Hatchy babies, Shopkins, and dump them into the little mini party totes. Now that all of the little Shopkins or like that chapstick, rock collection, cards are all sorted into the mini party totes, you can either line them up on a shelf, you can place them in a tray like so. Ta-da! And now she has an easy way to grab her favorites and run off and play with them and clean up. You can easily add a label to the handles. Use a binder clip and then just add a label right here so that she knows what's in each one. You can also use the binder clip to hold them together, and then it's a fun fine motor activity too for her to undo and put back together. Head over to Practically Perfect to see how they use these mini party totes to organize a different area of the house. And don't forget to run into the Container Store in the party section to grab these. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can see new videos every Wednesday. Thanks so much for watching.